Good morning to you all. Today I want to discuss Kamdhenu Gaon Vigyan Prachar Prasar examination Government of India to be held on 25th February 2021. This examination will be for primary, secondary, college and universities and for all citizens of India. It is also having for NRI. It will be having 4 categories. Primary class students up to 8 in one category, secondary students from class 9 to 12 in category 2, college student after class 12 in category 3 and general public in category 4. There is no registration fee for this examination. For literature and other information and for referral book you may visit https://kamdhenu.vppexam.org/registration.html. After visiting this website, you may click on home page and may download study material for examination. This examination will be conducted on 25th February 2021 and result will be declared on spot. It will include state toppers and national toppers. The toppers will get cash prize as well as certificates. The exam will be MCQ based and duration of exam will be 1 hour. Total question will be 75 and marks are also 75. There will be no negative marking. It will be in Hindi, English and also in regional language. The time slots for examination for primary is from 9 am to 10 am. For secondary is 11 am to 12 pm. For college level is 1 pm to 2 pm. And for citizen of India is 3 pm to 4 pm. And for international citizen it will be from 5 pm to 6 pm. Registration will start from 5th January. The last date of registration is 18 February. Mock exam date is 21st February 21st and exam date is 25th February 2021 and result will be on spot. First of all, you have to register on Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog portal. For this, you can use mobile or laptop or desktop. You have to agree the terms and conditions by clicking at the bottom of exam page. Then registration page will open. You have to make entry of your name, mail ID, mobile number, state, district, city/village, address, exam language, exam category, school name, exam coordinator name and then to enter CAPTCHA and then to click on register. Then you may get username as mobile number and user password. Your registration is now complete. You may use ID and password for exam and mock test. It is an exam which will provide you the information about Kamdhenu. It is basically for awareness and importance and significance of cow economy, mainly because of influence of Western/modern lifestyle. Its aim is to sensitize the pupil on preservation of cow. Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog launched intensive awareness campaign in the year 2020 beginning with its program. All government departments are cooperating for this program for a grand success. This exam is another innovative move by Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog. They will conduct this exam on 25th February 2021 for the students of primary, secondary, college and universities and for all citizens. The question will be based on cow culture, cow preservation, cow-based product and economic/scientific/environmental/cultural/spiritual relevance of indigenous cow. All participants will be given a participation certificate. This certificate will be given by Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog and these certificate will be helpful in pursuing such studies on cow entrepreneurship in future. I hope all students may participate in this examination and may get a certificate. I wish you a bright future. You may visit https://kamdhenu.gov.in for all details. Referral material will be available after your login into the page. It is available in all languages. It is also available in the form of book, journals, magazines, newsletter, booklets, etc. I wish you a bright future. Thanks.